In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MSI Center is now working and how to fix it in Windows 11 or in your Windows 10. Now just go ahead, open up your search menu, type in Settings, and now the first option, go ahead, open that up. After you get the settings opened up, just go ahead to the left, click on Apps. Then just go to the right, click on Installed Apps, and now just scroll down to search for MSI Center. Just scroll down until you find it, or if you don't find it, just go ahead, click on the search apps and type in MSI Center. Now go ahead, click on the three dots on the right, that's more options. Click on Advanced Options. Just go ahead, click on that. Now this page will pop up for you. Just scroll down until you find Reset. If this app isn't working right, you can repair it. This app's data won't be affected. Now just click on Repair and just give it some time to repair. It's a quick process. Then after that, if this app still isn't working, you can click on Reset and just give it some time as well. After doing all of this, if the app still has problems, you can reinstall it. That's if you only face problems after the repair. You can go ahead, click on Uninstall. As you can see now, uninstalling this app and its settings, your documents will not be affected. Click on Uninstall, and again, click on Uninstall. As you can see, so after you do this process, all you have to do is go ahead to the Microsoft Store. Click on the search menu, type in Microsoft Store. Just make sure you are writing everything correctly, as you can see. Now go ahead, open the store, and just give it some time to load. So after the page loads up, just go ahead, click on the Search tab, and type in MSI Center. Now go ahead, click on this app that has a blue icon, then just press on AB Get to download this app. Just give it a couple of minutes to download as well. So after you get the MSI Center app downloaded, this notification will pop up for you at the bottom right. Go ahead, open the app as you can see. Now this privacy policy will pop up for you. Just scroll down, then go to the right as you can see now. Then scroll down again and check this checkbox. After that, just click on OK and the app will install by itself. So this is a quick process, just give it some time as well to load up, and then after you do that, the app will start now, as you can see. After that, the app will automatically open up for you. So now the MSI Center app is all good and working correctly. So this was how to fix MSI Center not working on Windows 11 and on Windows 10. As always, thank you for watching.